Happy morning to all. Today, we are here to discuss an important issue, LPG scarcity. In India, millions of households use LPG for daily cooking. But the real question is it easily accessible and affordable for all?
India's distribution system has developed a lot over the few years, but there are still debates going on about the alternatives, availability, and the affordability of LPG fuel. Let's discuss both sides.
One of the biggest concerns is affordability. LPG cylinder prices have soared up significantly. And due to this, many low-income families face a lot of problems because regular refills are becoming more expensive. Now, even if these families have a connection, they may not use it regularly due to cost.
That is a valid point, but the Indian government has taken steps to address this issue. Schemes like the Pradhana Mantri Ujjwala Yojana has provided LPG connections to economically lower classes. This has helped millions of people to switch over to cleaner cooking fuel.
Now, providing connections is important, but the real challenge is affordability. Now, many families struggle to regularly use LPG due to the cost. In rural and remote areas, LPG supply can be inconsistent. Delivery delays or lack of nearby distributors make it unreliable for daily cooking.
However, India's distribution network has grown significantly in the recent years. In rural areas, easier access, online booking systems is being provided so that this process will become easier and faster.
Even with expansion, last mile delivery is still a challenge faced in these regions which affects consistent usage. When LPG becomes unaffordable or unavailable, many families revert back to traditional methods of cooking like firewood or coal. Now this causes indoor air pollution or serious health problems, especially for women and for children.
That is why LPG is so important. It is clean, it produces no smoke, and helps in reducing respiratory diseases. It is also way better for the environment than traditional fuels.
I agree, but the real issue isn't its benefits. The real challenge is affordability and accessibility of LPG for all. To reduce dependency on LPG, we must explore alternatives like biogas, solar cookers, or electric stoves. These options are more sustainable in the long run.
Alternatives are useful, but they have their flaws. Solar cookers require sunlight. Electric stoves require a stable source of electricity. This is why in most households, LPG is the reliable and practical option.
Yes, I agree, but investing in alternatives also can help reducing pressure on LPG supply and make energy use more sustainable. India has fueled millions of households with LPG, but can we keep them burning for every home? Tell us what you think.
In the comment section.